Okay, welcome to another episode of Just Cooking. So one of my friends wanted me to show how I made the garlic chicken with egg noodles. So this is what I did. I started by filleting the chicken because sometimes the chicken breast be really thick. So I started by filleting the chicken breast. So you just cut it. So I filleted all my chicken. So these are the seasoning that I use: parsley flakes, complete seasoning, granulated garlic, and I use minced garlic. So then I put sticks of butter. I use a whole stick, but I just cut it into sections. So I put the butter in there, let it melt. I let the butter melt. Then I start placing the chicken in. If you don't have a pot like a pan like this, you can use a regular frying pan. You don't have to actually use this, but this is what I cooked it with. So, you know, it made a difference, whatever, I guess. And so now that my butter is melted and I started placing the chicken in, I start putting the seasoning in. So parsley flakes, I'm gonna open it. The parsley flakes, the complete seasoning, the granulated garlic, and the minced garlic. If you're a garlic fan, you can put as much garlic as you want, but I put 2 teaspoons of garlic in it. So, you know, whatever floats your boat. You can put a little bit more in it. And then I put the top on it. You can see, like, I turned the chicken over. It's like brown. So I turned it over. So I'm going to put the other half of the butter in. And let it melt. Because the chicken, you want chicken to be all the way done before you start putting the noodles in. And what I did yesterday is I cut it down some more, like I sliced the chicken to make it smaller. But anyway, it's okay. Okay, now the chicken is done. And I'm going to put in the noodles. Now I started cooking the noodles already. So now they're just going to finish cooking with the chicken now. And you just put them in there, down there on the sauce. And you steam it. So we're going to do this about 5 minutes. Okay, now here is the finished product. The noodles are nice and soft. The chicken is done. Now here goes your garlic and chicken. Hope you like. Try it at home. It's easy. Garlic chicken over egg noodles. Bon appetit.